I can't wait to eat the country balls. I wish to. I think it's a for money. We are just so fat. So fat in here. What the? We got all the trees. Oh, it's super. Time to land now. We have to ride this cycle. Please land the. Getting the brakes now. Let's get landing gears. Time to land now. They don't think so. We'll take off. Where is the country balls? Oh wait, where is he? Where is he? Oh my God, what's running? Come to fire. Country balls. Time to take this code. Time to take a set. And time to stay to the plane. I should park in here because it's shooting to the country box. Hey, I'm here. There is a job there. I'm here now. Huh? Who said this? Who said that? That's me. I'm not Philippines. Oh, wait. I can't finish this. I'm not in parking. Hi, I'm a Country Balls Philippines. We have a parking now. Can I come with me? Yes, I will. Philippines and the country. Please hurry on your seatbelts and you'll take off now later. Okay. Country goes all. Please your pen pass. Please, I will want to the passports. Let's go now. We are gonna take off now. Really? Yes, I do. Country Philippines. I think we are gonna take off later. So it must be at the first place. I think in the country. They say that take off now later. Country. He died the Philippine country. Where am I? Philippine country. Please don't touch this button because you only can flash down on the airplane. Please. Okay. This is Captain. We are take off now. Country Philippines. I think we are take off but it's not crashing anymore. I want to watch YouTube because it's so boring on the airports.